Thousands of medical seats remain vacant despite severe doctor shortage in our country. Now, why is that so? And to tackle this, the National Board of Examination for Medical Sciences came in with a measure with respect to lowering the eligibility criteria. That is, now the cutoff marks, especially for the general category, has been reduced from 276 to 103 marks. It means out of 800, if you're from the general category and if you're scoring 103, then you are eligible to appear for the NEET postgraduate third round of counseling. Remember that this is for the third round. And also, what is creating major controversy at this point amongst the medical fraternity is that the reserved category cutoff is the 0th percentile. That means people from the scheduled caste, scheduled tribe and the OBC categories will now be eligible to appear for the third round of counseling for NEET PG with minus 40 out of 800 score. Now, why is this happening? The NBMS and the ministry maintains that this is with respect to an eligibility threshold. That means so many seats every year go vacant, and to look into this issue, the eligibility criteria, that is the cutoff, has been lowered. Now, is this the first time that the cutoff has been lowered? No. In 2023 as well, the cutoff was at 0 percentile for all categories. In 2024, it was the 5th percentile for all. And now the graded revision has come into place. It means that there are different cutoffs for different categories. Now, the major question obviously remains that does this cut-off slashing bring into a sort of dilution in the quality of medical experts and doctors, future doctors that our country is creating? And is this cut-off slash a temporary band-aid, or will this actually address the problem of vacant seats in our country? Doctors that I have spoken to have said that this sort of an irrational cutting off of marks at this point comes into a discretionary failure on part of policy, and it is not student friendly or student centric is what doctors say. Doctors also say that this sort of cutting off of NEET PG marks has happened to keep in mind that so many seats have gone vacant, but at the same time the government has increased seats of NEET PG as well. So there's sort of a conundrum at this point. And third off being that there, these medical college seats that are going vacant are mostly that of private colleges, and private college fees are very high. They go up to 25 lakh to 1 crore, and keeping this in mind, again, the ministry maintains that they have brought in these measures. However, doctors are concerned, of course, that what will be the repercussion of this sort of a cutoff? Will this mean that poorly trained medical experts will now be in the field and will now be allowed to practice medicine at the MD and MS levels? And does this also mean that at large are we compromising on quality over quantity just to fill up seats? Are we are we ignoring or negating the fact that minus 40 marks out of 800 is being allowed, is being qualified for someone to pursue an MD or a NEET PG? And major repercussion is at this point concerns of the Federation of All India Medical Association as well, of the Federation of Resident Doctors Association as well. Both FIMA and FORDA maintain that this could lead to a discrepancy in quality of doctors that the country would be producing. Of course, this decision comes amidst major controversy and hue and cry, and remains to be seen how does this pan out in actuality. Tanushka Datta for NDTV.